In this chapter, we are going to discuss mountains, water bodies, continents, forest, weather and seasons, pollution, natural disasters, conservation of environment. Let's start. First question is, it is very pleasant season. The days are neither too hot nor too cold. During this season, trees and plants bloom with new leaves and flowers. Which season are we talking about? Look, the specific features of the season are, it is neither too hot nor too cold. Monsoon is a humid or rainy season. There is the humid, okay. Summer is a hot season. It's too hot in summers. Spring season is the season which is neither too hot and nor too cold. And winter is too cold, okay. So, right answer for this question is spring season. In this season, trees and plants bloom with new leaves and flowers. Option C is right answer here. Next is, which of the following does not cause floods? First one is heavy rains. Due to heavy rains, there is so much water on the roads, on the streets, and it clogs the road, okay. So the streets will fill with the water, and that is look like flood. Option B, overflowing rivers. Yes, overflowing rivers always cause flood, because when a river overflows, the water come into the ground area or the area in which people are living, so that their houses will be drowned. That's why overflowing river always cause flood. Third one is tsunami. Tsunami is a high waves from the sea, okay. These waves cause flood, so that tsunami is the high waves which always cause flood near the sea area, okay. Option D, monsoon failure. If the monsoon is failed, then there is no rain, okay. If there is no rain, then there is no water on the earth. If there is no water on the earth, then it does not cause flood, okay. So, which option does not cause flood? That is option D, monsoon. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, which of the following should we refuse to keep our environment clean? But we should refuse. We should refuse. First one, cloth bags. No, cloth bags are environment friendly, so that we should not refuse cloth bags. Number 2, single-use plastic items. Yes, they cause environment dirty, or they do not keep our environment clean, because when we use single-use plastic item, then the plastic is not environment friendly, okay. When we use single-use plastic items, then so much plastic is disposed of, and this disposed plastic, yes, it causes environment dirty, okay. So we should not, or we refuse these type of items. Third one, reusable water bottles. Yes, we should use them. We should not refuse them, okay, because reusable water bottles does not cause environment dirty, okay. They keep environment clean. Option C, decompositing at home. Compositing at home, that is also keep our environment clean, because of food waste we use in composting, and this does not dirty our environment, then our environment can keep clean. So which we should refuse? We should refuse single-use plastic items. Option B is right answer here. Question 4 is, one of the saltiest lake in the world can be found in one of the least accessible place on earth. Due to its high salinity, this lake never freezes even when the temperature go far below 0 degree. Identify this lake. So, Our first option is Dead Sea. Dead Sea is a saltiest lake, but it is not high salinity lake. Okay. Option B, Don Juan Pond. Yes, this is highly salinity lake. Okay. So option B is right answer here. Mono Lake is also saltiest lake but not high salinity, and Great Salt Lake is also a saline lake. Okay. But right answer for high salinity is Don Juan Pond. Option B is right answer. Next question is the continent having highest population is. Do you know how many continents we have on the earth? There is 7 continents on the earth. Okay, 4 continent name are here. And which is highest population continent? Yes, the continent is Asia. Option D is right answer here. And do you know what is lowest population continent? That is Antarctica, which is lowest population continent. Okay, lowest population continent. So for highest that is Asia, and for lowest that is Antarctica. So for our question they are asking highest population, so Asia is right answer here. Next question is, which of the following represent natural sources of air pollution? Natural sources of air pollution. Air pollution means the source from which our air can be polluted. Let's check. Option A, burning of fossil fuels. Burning of fossil fuels that cause air pollution. Okay, but this is not natural source, because burning of fossil fuel, who is responsible? Humans are responsible. They are cutting trees, they are using petroleum products for their cars and for their vehicles. So burning of these fuels, air pollution cause, but this is not natural. Option B, use of fertilizers. Yes, by using of fertilizer there is also air pollution caused, but same thing, this is for this pollution human is responsible, not, this is not a natural source. Okay, and here we are discussing about natural source of air pollution, because fertilizers are made by human beings. So by using them, if air pollution is causing, so responsible, who is responsible? We humans are responsible, not nature. Third one is sewage. Yes, sewage also caused air pollution, but sewage system is also developed by human beings, not by nature. So this is also not a natural source. But option D, volcanic eruption. Do you know what is a volcanic eruption? Yes, volcanic eruption is the explosion of gases, rock, fragments and molten lava from within the earth through a vent. Okay, within the earth through a vent, and there is a explosion of gases, molten lava, okay, from a rock or a mountain. So on the surface of the earth into the environment. So this is natural source of pollution, because of this lava or emission of gases, air pollution caused. Okay, so this air pollution caused by natural eruption, that is volcanic eruption. So volcanic eruption is the natural source of air pollution. Okay, option D is right answer here. Next question is, landslides often occur in. Landslides. Do you know what is landslide? Landslide is destabilization of slope due to factor like heavy rainfall, earthquake, volcanic activity or human activity like mining or construction. Then from hills. Okay, from hills. Landslides. Okay, land broke and they slides on the earth surface, on earth flat surface. So this goes in which area? This is hill and hilly region, landslide occur. Okay, not in desert region, not in forest region, and not in plains. It occurs in the hilly region only. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, what is an island? What is an island? So Iceland is a landmass surrounded by water on all sides. Yes, it is a landmass which is surrounded by water from the all side. Okay, and this is called Iceland. This is right answer here. Option B is water body surrounded by land on three sides. That is called bay. Okay, it is surrounded by land from three sides and one side. देखो, this side is land, this side is land, and this side is land, but this side is water. So this is called bay. Okay. Third one is a narrow strip of land connecting two larger land areas. That is called isthmus. ISTHMUS. That is called isthmus. Okay. Fourth one is a large water body surrounded by land on four sides. When a large water body surrounded by land on four sides, मतलब चारों तरफ is that is land and there is water. If it is a large water body, then it is called lake. What it is called? It is called lake. Option D. But right answer for Iceland is a landmass surrounded by water on all the sides. That is called Iceland. Option A is right answer here. Ninth question is, which of these is the highest waterfall of India? Yes, which one is the highest waterfall of India? Let's check. Option A is Dudhsagar Fall. Dudhsagar Fall is the highest waterfall from India. Is it right? No. This is in Goa and it is 310 meters. Okay, how much? 310 meters. B is Kunchikal waterfall, that is 455 meters. Okay, height. I am writing here height of the waterfall. That is in Karnataka. Okay, Karnataka, Karnataka, AKA. Third one is Dundhar Fall. That is 30 meter only height waterfall. It is in MP. Okay. And fourth one is Jog Fall. Jog Fall is the 253 meter high fall. Okay. And that is also in Karnataka. So, which one is the highest? You can see here. First one is 310, Kunchikal is 455 and Dudhsagar is 30 meter only and Jog Fall is 253 meter only. So highest one is this one, Kunchikal waterfall, that is 455 meter high. Option B is right answer here. Next question is, sometime hot molten rock from inside the earth are forced out through opening in the earth's surface, such as the craters in volcanoes. What is the molten rock inside the earth called after it come out? Okay, volcanic eruption. I already told you what is this. Due to emission of or explosion of gases. Okay, of rocks or fragments or molten lava from a vent on the surface of earth. That is called volcano. Okay, that is come from the inside the earth. Okay, so yes, which the material molten rock inside the earth called what? Let's check what we call it. We call it lava. Option is right answer here. Okay, this molten rock is called lava. When volcano erupt, then what come out? Lava come out. Okay. Option B is sludge. Do you know what is sludge? Sludge is a semi-solid slurry that can be produced from a range of industrial process from water treatment. Okay. when industries treat the water, then which waste come out? That is called sludge. Coal tar, third one is coal tar. It is a thick black liquid produced by a byproduct, as a byproduct of the carbonization of coal. So coal tar, what is coal tar? During the carbonization of coal, byproduct, a dark black liquid produced, that is called coal tar. Last one is magma. What is magma? It is a molten or semi-molten rock found in the beneath of earth surface, from which all igneous rock are formed. That is called magma. Okay. So molten rock is lava. Option A is right answer here. Next is, which is the oldest mountain range of India? Oldest mountain range. Option A is Vindhya range. Vindhya range is a major dividing line between the north-south India. Okay, where it is north-south India, major dividing line. Okay, but this is not oldest mountain range. Okay. Second one is Karakoram range. What is Karakoram range? This is the other name of K2. Okay, and it is second highest mountain range on the earth, but not first oldest mountain range. Okay, this is second highest mountain range but not oldest in the India. Third one is Aravalli range. Yes, this is the right answer here. Aravalli range is the oldest mountain range of India. And fourth one is Satpura range. Satpura range is also known as Seoni Hills. Okay, what is its other name? That is Seoni Hills. So for oldest mountain range is option C, Aravalli Hills. Right answer here, Aravalli range. Next is, it is a large revolving tropical storm that develops above the oceans and seas. It is usually accompanied by strong winds and heavy rainfalls. Identify it. Look, it is large revolving tropical storm. Okay, large revolving tropical storm like this. Okay, and develop above the ocean or seas. It is usually accompanied by strong winds and heavy rainfalls. That is called cyclone. This is the specific feature of cyclone. Tsunami are the high waves from the sea. Waves from sea. Okay. And avalanche is, this is a rapid flow of snow down from hills. Rapid flow of snow, that is called avalanche. Okay. And flood, we all know that. What is flood? Flood is the overflow of water. So for high revolving tropical storm is cyclone. Option B is right answer here. Next is, which of the longest river in the world? Longest river in the world is Nile river. It joins almost 10 to 11 countries. Okay, so this is the longest river in the world. And Amazon, what is Amazon? Amazon is the world's largest river by water volume. Okay, Amazon is the world's largest river by water volume, but longest river is the Nile river only. Okay, and Ganga is the largest river of India, not in the world. Option D is yellow. Yellow river is also known as China's sorrow. Okay, that is also known as China's sorrow river due to its frequent and devastating flood. That is called China's sorrow. But right answer for longest river is Nile river only. Option B is right answer here. Next question is, the largest rainforest in the world is found in, yes, where it is found? पहले तो मुझे बताओ, what is the name of largest rainforest in the world? Anyone know that? Largest rainforest is the Amazon. Okay. And where it is found? It is found in South America. Option A is right answer here. Next question is, in which month does the monsoon come in India? Monsoon season is June, July is the monsoon season in India. So when it come in which month? It is come in June month. Option A is right answer here. Next is, select the incorrect statement regarding the largest island in the world. Tell me the name of largest island of the world. Who knows that? Name of the largest island is the Greenland. 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 And where it is? It is in North Atlantic Ocean. Okay. So what is the incorrect statement about it? First one is its capital is Nuuk. This is correct statement. It is extremely cold. This is also correct statement. Third one is it is densely populated. This is wrong statement, because densely populated, yes, Iceland is Java. On this island, almost 1200 people are on per square meter. Okay, and this island is in Indonesia. So incorrect statement for Greenland is the option C. It is densely populated. Option C is the right answer here, or incorrect statement we can see. Next question is, which of the following lead to rising of the average temperature of Earth? Yes, rising of the temperature. There is the only greenhouse effect which is responsible for rising the temperature on the Earth. Actually, greenhouse is the effect of the greenhouse gases which trap the heat. Due to the trapping heat, the temperature is increased. That is called greenhouse effect. So rising in the temperature is the effect of greenhouse effect. Tsunami, I already told you that these are the series of waves by earthquake under the sea. And hurricanes, do you know what is hurricane? These are tropical storm. You can say tropical cyclone or rapid rotating storm due to low pressure. And melting of glaciers, we all know that by the burning of fossil fuels or deforestation, there is the temperature of the earth is increasing and the glaciers are melting. So for rising in average temperature, which is irresponsible, that is option B, greenhouse effect. Question 18 is, match the given column and select the correct option. Here is column 1 and column 2. Column 1 is the specific feature of the lake and column 2 is the name of lake. Let's check. Largest freshwater lake by surface area. By surface area, it is Lake Superior, which is the largest lake. And largest freshwater lake by volume, by water volume, that is Lake Baikal. Option 1. So P is 2, Q is 1. And largest inland body of water in the world, that is Caspian Sea. So R is 3. So P2, Q1, R3. Option B is right answer here. Next question is, unscramble the given letter to find the name of water body and select the correct statement regarding it. Correct statement regarding it. Let's unscramble the word, and by unscrambling we get it GULF. Okay. So what is this? It is a part of the ocean extended into the land. Absolutely right. This is part of ocean extending into the land, that is called Gulf. Okay. Second one is, it joined the two land masses. I already told you, if it the thing which joined the two land masses, it is called isthmus. C is, it is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. Yes, that is called peninsula. Peninsula. Okay. So it is a small Iceland. Small Iceland is a body of a land surrounded by water from all the sides. That is called Iceland. Okay. But Gulf is the part of ocean extending into the land. That is called Gulf. Option is right answer here. Last question is, which of the following mountain range is located in African continent? Which mountain? First one is Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains are located in Europe and Asia. Okay? Not in African continent. Second one is the Alps. The Alps is also in Europe. Third one is the Himalayas. Yes, where are Himalayas? You all know that it is very common. That is in Asia. And last one is Atlas Mountain, which is located in African continent. Option D is right answer here. So kids, here we learn about the chapter 6, Name, Earth and the Environment. Repeat this video, learn all the questions and their options also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.